Hi friends, welcome to another free card kit video on my blog and YouTube channel. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this is a tutorial for customers who shop with me this month. For details on how to get this free card kit and written tutorial, please click the link below. If you are not one of my customers, please enjoy this video as an inspirational tutorial. First and foremost, I want to let you know that I have a head cold and I do not sound like myself today. And I almost held off a couple of days before I did this voiceover for this video, but honestly, there's too many exciting things going on and I just can't contain myself. So I hope that you can still understand me, and I'm going to jump right in. For the last couple of weeks, I have been creating projects from the Occasions catalog, and as of 2 a.m. January 3rd, the catalog, Occasions catalog, will be live. So you can go to my blog and download a digital copy, but if you're a customer of mine, you should have received it by now. If not, I want you to email me. You know my email address, sunstampin@gmail.com, and let me know. And then I will figure out what's happened to it. I know there was a bit of a delay for getting the catalogs, but they will be coming to you. Along with the Occasions catalog, we are starting our 3-month sale. It's called Celebration. You've probably heard of it. If you haven't, I don't know where you've been living. It is the biggest sale of the year. There's so many things going on right now. Basically, Stampin' Up decided to switch things up a little bit this year, and you will still get your free items. So basically, you spend $60 and you get to choose a free item from the Celebration catalog. So it's a tiny little catalog that comes along with the Occasions catalog. And all of the products inside of it are free. So you spend $60 before shipping and tax, and you get to choose a free product from this brochure. But new this year, earn even bigger rewards when you spend $120 before shipping and tax. So when you get that brochure, you're going to look for the green emblem, and that emblem says free with $60 purchase. Or there's a orange emblem that says free with $120 purchase. So wanted to let you know that that's all switched up. If you host a crafty party and have me as your demonstrator, basically you'll earn $35 more in Stampin' rewards with a party that is $330 or more in sales. So you get bigger bonuses. And the last way that we like to celebrate Celebration is by giving our best customers a joining offer. The joining offer is you get to choose $165 of whatever you want in the catalog, and you will be charged $135. Plus, you get 2 free stamp sets, and it's free shipping. Now, if you sign on as one of my team members, you get a whole bunch of bonuses from me as well. But I've been blogging about that for the past couple of days. So if you have any questions, go visit the blog or email me directly. I'd be happy to have a chat with you. Okay, so I'm not going to feature any stamp sets in this card kit today. This is a piece of Calypso Coral, and I've decided to create a easel card for this month's card kit. So I've just folded on the score lines. This is everything that you'll get in the kit, except you get 2 of them, so 2 card bases, and this is the inside part. That's Rich Razzleberry, and the new Painted with Love designer series paper. And of course you can use either side, and I've given you 2 colorways. I'm just putting adhesive on the bottom half of that, and there's a little gold strip as well, and you just run adhesive along and snip off the excess. I don't think there's going to be too much excess, but you'll still have a little bit of wiggle room. So I'm just adhering that square of Rich Razzleberry and designer series paper to the front, and because I'm super nice, I already die cut the Amazing from the Celebrate You Thinlits, which is a celebration item at $120. And I put the adhesive sheet on it, and you just stick it right there. And I also put the mini dimensionals on the U. So really, this is like a pretty quick card kit to put together. Very little adhesive you need. And that's my little easel card. Isn't it cute? I like the little hearts. There's the other one with a different colorway, and it's got a gold foil. I just really like this paper. I can't tell you enough how much I like this paper. So I did put a little bit of Wink of Stella on the U, and that is the card kit for January 2018. Thanks so much for watching.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf to visit my website, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.